In this video, I will explain how if statement works in C with help of hands-on example. Let's get started. Here is the syntax of if statement in C. Here, if is a keyword in C. Within round brackets, we have a condition. Condition can be any expression that evaluates to true or false. And then, within curly braces, we have block of code. Block of code can have 0 or multiple statements in it. During execution, when the program encounters if keyword, the condition enclosed within round bracket is evaluated. If the condition evaluates to true, block of code enclosed within curly braces will be executed and control will be transferred to the line of code immediately after closing curly braces. If this video is really helping you, can you click on subscribe button and hit that thumbs up? Let's have a look at this example. Here, I have declared a variable named counter and assigned value 0 to it. In the next line, I have if statement with the condition counter equal to 0, and within curly braces, I have a printf statement that displays value of counter. If I run this code, when program encounters if keyword, it will evaluate this condition. This condition evaluates to true, hence the printf statement enclosed within curly braces will be executed. Once done, program encounters return 0 and exits the code. Let me know how are you finding this video by commenting below. I will run this program. If you see here, program displayed the text value of counter is 0, which is as expected. What will happen if I update the value of counter to something other than 0? Let's try it out. I will change this value to 1. Now, this expression evaluates to false since value of counter is not equal to 0. Hence, program will skip this printf statement enclosed within curly braces and will execute return 0 and exit the code execution. I will again run this program. If you see here, the program did not execute printf statement enclosed within curly braces of if statement since the condition evaluated to false.